If your account reconciliation is close enough, that's how mystery balances become month-end fires. Today I'll show you the clean, boring way that actually works. I'm a CPA who reviews reconciliations every month, and I can tell in 30 seconds if one's real. What you'll learn: how to tie GL to external proof, the 4 common reconciling items, how to clear aged junk fast, what reviewers expect to see. Steps: start with the ending balance, bank, statement, subledger. Tie to GL balance same date. Match transactions line by line. List reconciling items: deposits in transit, outstanding checks, fees, interest. Book the entries you control: fees, interest, errors. Roll forward old items. Don't let them age. Examples: bank. Books $10,500 versus bank $10,200. $300 deposit in transit, $500 outstanding check, $100 bank fee. Tie at $9,900. Credit card. Statement shows annual fee plus late charge not in GL. Book them, attach statement. Reviewer notes, 5 insights. Red flags: plug entries, negative cash, ask client later. Dates aligned, 0. Known difference explained. Old items have a plan. Support exists. Clear audit trail. Checklist recap: same cutoff date, GL tie out, statement attached, recon items listed, fees, interest booked, old items 30 days, no plugs, notes on odd items. Like plus subscribe. Drop a comment with the account you hate reconciling. If this sounds like your close process, you're not alone.